Municipal board says, in pursuant to the order received from the Joint Secretary so-and-so, dated so-and-so, the illegal regularization of the 10 below mentioned employees of Bijni Municipal Board is hereby cancelled and are released with immediate effect, from 16th February. So the regularization was cancelled. Thereafter, they were immediately released. They were not even allowed to work in casual capacity.
Now, who is working in this post? These are grade 3 posts.
Grade 3 and
UDA driver, tax collector. How are you managing the office?
Method maybe this was the directing to report the correctness.
No. How are you presently functioning the office? Vacant. You at least allow them to consider. Allow them to consider them for their continuation. Where is the prayer, Mr. Mukherjee?
It's like page 13.
Yes. Okay.
We have challenged both the orders of 15.
Regularization, cancellation, we may not interfere. Since
But for cancellation of regularization also, no notice was served.
no, initial regularization is not by the due process.
There was resolution of the board.
Resolution, will it be enough to regularize? There is no exercise done.
But Lordship, at least natural justice ought to have been.
Natural justice for something which is done illegally. Now that your entry into your regularization itself was not done properly.
Lordship, in that event, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to continue.
That is it. That is it.
Worker, and this may not be a bar for further
Consider that, yes.
Future consideration
Yes.
for regularization.
Yes, heard Sri B.J. Mukherjee Learned Council for the how many petitioners?
3 petitions.
For the petitioners, also heard Sri R.K. Mushari, Learned Standing Council, BTC. Full stop. Considering the subject matter and the aspect that the respondent authorities within bracket BTC has filed the affidavit in opposition, followed by a rejoinder affidavit by the petitioners, comma. The writ petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage, full stop. Para. Sri Mukherjee, the Learned Council, for the petitioners who are three in numbers, has contended that they were employees in various grade 3 posts in the Bijni Municipal Board. Full stop. Their services were regularized with effect from 1/3/2020, whereafter they had continued to serve in regular capacity. Full stop. However, wide the impugned order dated 16/2/2023, their regulation of service was cancelled with a further direction that they were released from their services. Full stop. Para. The Learned Council for the petitioners has submitted that the regularization of the services of the petitioners was done by a duly adopted resolution of the board, and without affording any opportunity or notice, comma, such regularization could not have been cancelled. Full stop. He has also submitted that apart from the cancellation of the regularization order, comma, the services of the petitioners have also been discontinued by the impugned release order, and such action has been taken without giving any opportunity or notice to the petitioners. Full stop. He submits that the impugned order having adverse civil consequences, comma, there was a necessity to follow the principles of natural justice, which has not been done, and accordingly calls for interference from this court. Full stop. Para. Sri Musari, the learned Standing Council BTC, by drawing the attention of this court to the affidavit in opposition filed on 24/5/2023, has submitted that the order of regularization of the petitioners do not appear to be in accordance with law, and the petitioners had got a wrongful benefit, got undue benefit by such regularization order. Full stop. On a direction of this court passed in the last occasion, that is 29/7/2024, comma, the Learned Standing Council has also placed on record the copies, placed on record the written instructions along with the copies of the resolution of the initial order of regularization of service. Full stop. On a perusal of the resolution number 6 taken adopted in the meeting dated 6/2/2020, comma, it appears that 7 incumbents were given the benefit of regularization. Full stop. However, such regularization order does not appear to have preceded by any exercise done to verify and examine as to whether the incumbents had met the requirements for such regularization. Full stop. The para. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of the materials on record, including the resolution dated 6/2/2020 pertaining to the regulation of service, comma, this court is of the opinion that the initial order of regulation of the services of the petitioner do not appear to be in accordance with law. Full stop. Consequently, comma, it will be difficult on this part of this court to interfere with the decision to cancel such order of regularization. Full stop. At the same time, comma, this court has noticed that while the decision was to cancel the order of regularization, comma, even the temporary service of the petitioners were discontinued and they were released from service. Full stop. This court has also put a query on the Learned Standing Council regarding the manning of those posts, which she has replied that the said posts are lying vacant. Full stop. The above situation may not be in the interest of the Business Municipal Board, full stop. Para. In view of the above aforesaid discussion, comma, this writ petition is disposed of by by holding that while the order to cancel the regularization of the service of the petitioner is not interfered with, comma, the order to the decision to discontinue them, which was without any opportunity or notice, is interfered with, full stop. The petitioners are accordingly directed to be retained back in their respective service forthwith, full stop. It is further made clear, it is further observed that in any exercise for regular appointments, comma, the petitioner's case would be considered fairly with other similarly situated persons, full stop. The petitioners, however, would not be entitled to the back wages for the period in question. Okay. Copies of the relevant documents placed before this court are made part of the record. You make photocopies of this already available. Now, this is a letter written to you. We will not retain this. You make a photocopy of this. Original, don't place it before the court to put on one letter. Item 20.
Regarding validity of my degree obtained from the Institute of Civil Engineers.
Of
Uh,
which
since
place?
they have denied promotion to me.
Which place?
My lord, the Institute of Civil Engineers, Ludhiana, Punjab.
Ludhiana.
Right.
Okay.
Now, they have denied promotion to me since the year 2017 from the cadre of junior engineer to assistant engineer. Now, this entire issue has undergone the test of this court. This court in the year 2020 passes an elaborate judgment in which this court directs the state government, since they only raised.
Were you there in the morning?
Right.
Were you there in this court in the morning? You go by the judgment we had passed today, this morning.
Right.
But we had given a caveat kind of a thing that the directions will only be confined to the petitioners. When did you come before this court in the earlier round? You may get the benefit. You get a copy of this today's order.
Yes, my lord, can you place it on
Friday.
Right.
That was against
But I will explain
your department.
Not what?
This morning judgment.
No.
That was which department? That was Panchayat. Same Ludhiana.
Right.
Okay. Same service rules. Junior engineer to assistant engineer in the next available vacancy. But there the cases were different. In 14 itself, vacancies were there. But you try to get a copy.
I'll get it.
It will be online this evening.
I'll got.
On the this court has been informed that there is a judgment which may cover the subject in issue. Full stop para. List on 9th.
Highly of it.
Now, there is a judgment which has been pronounced today.
Senior Commissioner Mr. K. Ansatri will participate.
Item number
Maybe for
21.
faster.
Yes, is he there?
Maybe for time being, Lord.
What is the matter?
Matter regarding appointment of lab technician, Lord.
Laboratory?
Technician.
They approached this honorable court earlier, challenging the selection and appointment of 5 laboratory technicians. This honorable court interfered with the appointment with the direction that we will recast the entire list, and if petitioners are also found eligible, along with others, they will be appointed. Now we have found that, my lord, they have scored lesser marks than the 5 who otherwise ought to have been appointed.
Okay, can we have it at 2 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
2 o'clock. দুটা বজা আৰু ফিক্স কৰিছো নেকি কিবা এটা নাই কৰা ন at 2 o'clock এটা যে টাইমিং কৰিছিলো কিন্তু নাই কৰা নে okay come at 2 o'clock
May I please, sir? May I kindly state a last for the honorable court, sir?
what is APDTDCL
Plan type
Plain,
development corporation.
plain trades, okay. Yes, Mr. Dhar, any improvement, any progress?
My lord, there was the last order, my lord.
Hmm.
So I
I
have,
don't understand the proposal for determination has been submitted to the. This is of 3rd August.
itu পঠাইছে না ফাইনান্স ডিপার্টমেন্ট
3rd August, it has been sent to the finance department. Mr.
will-
Gogoi,
my friend is here, my lord.
get the updated instructions, okay, and I try to expedite it. Okay. Okay, pursuant to the order passed on the last occasion, that is 29/7/2024, comma, Sri Dhar, the learned standing council, Department of Tribal Affairs, Plain. What do you call yourself now? Department of Tribal Affairs and Plains.
Plain, sir. Only plain, sir. Department
Tribal
of
Union by Plains. Has submitted that the proposal for the payment of arrear salaries and retirement benefits amounting to rupees 141 lakhs has been submitted to the finance department. Full stop. Sri B. Gogoi, Sri B. Gogoi, learned standing council finance department is directed to obtain instructions on the full stop, list. We'll fix the date post-retirement benefits. List on 28/2/8. The past, no? 1, 2, 28, Wednesday.
Sure.
To enable the learned council for the respondents to obtain the up-to-date instructions. Okay.
Or before 15 August, any date, my lord.
Mr. Gogoi,
My lord, any day convenient. On a hearing
Friday,
date, Friday.
okay.
Yes, Friday.
On a request made on behalf of Sri K. N. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petitioners. List on Friday, huh? Sri B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department is present. Friday date to be.
Deeply obliged.
Yes,
Lordship matter relates to granting of family pension to the petitioner wife matter. I am the wife of the deceased employee matter. But after death of my husband, I applied for granting family.
yes,
pension.
family pension, what is it? What is the problem, madam?
Actually, there are two claimants, Lordship. One is the mother of the deceased and the petitioner's name is nowhere in the official record, Lordship.
Petitioner is the wife,
Wife.
Yes.
claims to be the wife, widow.
But in the official record,
Okay. Have you given it, released it to the mother?
no, not yet. Lordship.
Then give it to the mother. When was the death?
But the Lordship may kindly, in the petition, there is family court order is there, Lordship.
Family court.
Yes,
Yeah.
Lordship. I was receiving my lord, maintenance my lord,
Maintenance of the
regularly
same.
from my
It is
deceased
proved
husband.
like
The judgment, my lord, page number 13
125 maintenance, does it prove a marriage?
My lord, there it is established, my lord, the whole that family got that.
It's not a conclusive proof of a marriage. Marriage has to be proved, declared by a civil court. 125 is not prima facie satisfaction.
Yes.
That itself will not be.
prima
Family
facie
pension is
is
only for
there.
the wife. Maintenance, if you can
Yeah,
prima
but
facie show that you are the wife, but that is not it's not established. But nonetheless, we are not in the issue. Let us assume that she is the wife. So what is your difficulty? Is there a dispute between you and your mother-in-law?
No, my lord.
No dispute.
He also claiming, my lord, I am also claiming, my lord. Because, my lord,
That
we are
is
not
right.
This,
deciding.
this
Two
writ-
claimants, that is right.
This writ petition is instituted only by the wife, widow.
Yes.
Only by the widow.
Yes.
What is your get your instructions on record?
Instruction I have received.
Okay, okay.
That is what I.
That is it. In a matter where there are more than one applicant, claimant, what do you do? Who does the apportionment? The department, the division, the share.
Her name is not in the official record of.
No, that we have understood.
deceased.
No, that we have understood. But if there is more than one claimant who are all entitled, then how do you
What is
distribute?
the?
No, mother is also a dependent, family pension. So how
No.
do you distribute? In equal proportion?
Yes,
Your name is not there, why? Any idea?
My lord, in the part paper, my lord, I do not know, my lord.
When was the marriage?
My lord, marriage was taken place on, my lord.
service book also I have received. Okay.
Name is not
No.
there. Marriage name is not. Do you have any issue? Any child?
No, my lord.
When was the marriage?
Paragraph 2, I have stated, my lord, that regarding marriage, my lord.
Paragraph 2. Yes, let us see what you have stated. You have not even given the date of marriage. It was performed in a Agyathuri Mandir.
Yes, my lord.
Was it a marriage?
My lord, let me, kindly allow me to take some instruction, my lord.
What is your name?
My lord, Monica Swargiari.
Your name?
S.
Con-
Rana.
S. Rana. Heard Sri S. Rana, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Sri and para. Miss D. Bora, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department, has submitted from written instructions that apart from an order passed in a proceeding under section 125 of the CRPC for maintenance, there is no documents in record wherein from which it appears that the petitioner is the wife of the deceased employee, full stop. There is no nomination of the name of the petitioner in the service book. And even in the petition, there is no clear statement regarding as to when the marriage was solemnized. Full stop, para. At this stage, the learned counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 2 weeks' time to obtain the instructions. Full stop. List after 2 weeks.
Bibliography.
But in this case, my lord, we are the master road workers.
You are the master rule
Master worker.
Then what happened?
my lord, we joined, my lord, one is on 6/11/1995, another one is 29/9/1995.
Okay, then
Both were initially appointed as a chainman.
as
And chainman
chairman, Revenue
a-
Department,
in
Revenue Department.
no, in the Deputy Commissioner's office. And he appointed us. Accordingly, we have been working. Subsequently, my lord, we were entrusted with various other duties like election duties, census, some others, and we are working, my lord. It is not disputed. And my lord, and we are paying our regularization for service. Accordingly, my lord,
Appointed when?
appointed, my lord, kindly see page 16 and page 18.
Yes, date?
Page 16, my lord, Sri Ranjit Das,
Where? When?
uh,
Page, date?
page 16, my
Yes.
Ranjit Das, number 1,
Oh,
is the type copy, original copy is page 17.
6/12/95,
6/11/1990.
6/11 or 12. Where do you find 6/11?
6/12, my lord, I'm sorry.
6/12.
6/12/1990.
6/12/95. And number two, petition
Number 2, page 19, page 18, my lord. Page 18, Mullen Chorai is the petition number 1 here.
Oh, his
Mullen Chorai,
Mulanchora date?
date, my lord, is 18/11/1996.
18/11/96 is petition number 1.
1, my lord.
This is petition number 1 is 18/11/96.
Yes, my lord. 96.
Okay, then
However, my lord, this is the orders, my lord, subsequent order. Earlier, my lord, he joined, my lord,
but these were for 3 months
3 months. Earlier in joined, my lord, 29/9/1995. This is my initial appointment, which is also, my lord, mentioned by the deputy
of P1.
P1, my lord, 29/9/1995.
Where is it written? Where do you get this? Which
Yeah.
document?
My lord, this is my lord, page 34 and 35.
34.
35, my lord.
Yes.
The deputy commissioner sent
Hmm.
the detail.
Hmm.
Page 35, my lord.
Hmm.
Mullen Chorai, date of engagement 29/9/1995.
Hmm.
And Ranjit Das, 6/11/1995. Date of engagement.
For 3 months.
For 3 months. Subsequently, it was extended, my.
Okay. Then
Then, my lord, we have been working and time to time we were entrusted with various other duties.
but this engagement was not continuous.
Continuous.
Where? See the dates. If you are relying upon page 35, Munlen Chorai, serial number 2, date of engagement 2/11/96 to 3/1/97, then 7/11/97 to 4/2, then 5/5.
But that, my lord, we were engaged in that way, my lord.
That is not continuous engagement. 3 months. Then what is your final grievance? What is the relief you are paying?
Relief, my lord, we are covered under that judgment, my lord.
Which one? Upendas.
Yes, my lord. Upendra Judge.
Continuous, you fulfilled. You fulfilled 10 years as on 2017.
Yes, my lord.
From which date?
From that date, my lord.
Which
That was
that date means?
My lord, deputy commissioner sent it, my lord. Kindly see that page.
Now, is it a continuous appointment?
Yes, page 34, my lord. Kindly see.
34 year, yes. Yes.
Deputy Commissioner Sri Midul Jadhav to the Principal Secretary Dr. Assam. That letter. In inviting
What is
reference
the date?
date, my lord, this date, 6/3/2023.
6/3.
2023.
DC,
This is to the Principal Secretary,
Karimganj
Revenue and Disaster Management.
to Revenue Department. Yes, what is
Subject regarding regularization of the services of Sri Mullan Chorai and Sri Ranjit Das.
yes.
casual grade 4 employee of the office of the Deputy Commissioner, Karimganj. As reference email dated so and so, so and so. Sir, in inviting reference to the above, I have the honor to state that Sri Mullan Chorai and Sri Ranjit Das have been working in the office of the Deputy Commissioner since 1995 under various capacities as casual grade 4 employees without their service being regularized. In this context, it may be mentioned that as
We
prayed
have
by
read this. He has asked for instructions from the department. He has given the data. That is not a recommendation. And ultimately, in any case, the recommendation will not work. The order has to come from the department. But show us, let us forget the recommendation. Show us that it is a continuous service which you had rendered. At least 10 years from the date of pronouncement of Upendas. That is 2017.
pilot, they filed affidavit, my lord. Why you have counter affidavit, reply affidavit, I'll file sometime after.
No, you cannot improve upon your documents. We find that there are break in service. In fact, we recently have held in one case, even a part-time worker, we have given the benefit because the objective was to give certain benefits to those workers who are working in casual or similar manner continuously. Here, though you are there on master roll, but there is a break, 3 months, then a break, long break, then again. From which date at least you are serving continuously? Tell us. Does it become 10 years? 4, 20, 131, 5, 7, 6.
My lord, my submission.
See, even the last, if you even go to the chart at page 35, from 99 to 2000, 2000 to 2001. After 2001,
My lord, till now we have been working.
after 2001, next appointment is after 20 years. And from 2001, you are not there even.
I'm there, my lord.
Where? Show us.
My lord, kindly say that page 20, my lord,
20.
20.
Yes.
The order dated 23 to 2011. Sri Mullan Chora is hereby entrusted to work in election branch DC office Karimganj temporarily as a casual employee.
Yes.
With effect from 11 to 2011.
Yes.
You will get 50,000. So, my lord, time to time we are engaged in various other works
That will not do.
in addition to other duties, my lord.
See, even here, you have not been described as what is your substantive posting. It has been only said that one person, incumbent name so-and-so, is entrusted to work in election branch. What is your substantive post? Nothing has been said.
My lord, page 21 is also deputation of official for receiving, sealing, etc. This is also the deceased election officer orders, my lord, to the deputy secretary.
So,
With
but
reference to the
Mr. Chaudhary, if you are relying upon 34, you cannot rely upon 34 alone. 34 is along with 35. 35 is in fact the annexure, which gives the chart. From 2001, there is no history of your employment. Entrustment in some election duties here and there will not make you a continuous appointment.
My lord, I have been working, my lord. We have been working there. So if
Show
there-
us a document if
my-
you.
if there is, my lord, if there is requirement, my lord, we may take instruction from our client, my lord. And they can
See, this chart clearly says that you are nowhere there after 1999,
My
after
lord,
2001.
the deputy commissioner filed affidavit, my lord,
Yes.
Shikar. Whether, my lord,
Page. Yes.
my lord, page 49,
Yes.
that the DC filed affidavit para 4, my lord. With regard to the statements para 6, 11, and 12, the repetition of the answer is given and back to the date. As per letter dated so-and-so 19/11/2002, received from Principal Private Secretary to the Honorable Chief Minister Assam, the Office of the District Commissioner Karimganj has submitted a detailed report about the services rendered by the petitioner in the amalgamated establishment of the District Commissioner Karimganj in his letter dated so-and-so, along with the annexure to the Principal Secretary of the Government of Assam Revenue and Disaster Management Department This quote. In response, the GovPro in Revenue DM Department sent a reply to the office of the District Commissioner Karimganj in letter number E in terms of Deputy Commissioner to the GovPro Vasna Revenue DM Department. So, my lord, in this regard, my lord, the DC submitted. So, my submission, my lord, whether they are continuing service, that may be instruction may be called from the Deputy Commissioner. So he would-
Deputy Commissioner has given the chart that does not even indicate that you were in continuous service.
so, my lord, that fact may be verified from our client also, my lord. Sometime may be granted. in
We
this
cannot go into disputed questions of fact. Where have you stated that you are working continuously?
Yes, sir. My lord, page 5, my lord,
Page 5.
page
Yes.
5.
Page 5, we have read which paragraph?
2, 3,
2, 3.
2, 3, 4, my lord.
Yes, please read.
That the petitioner begs to state that they have been engaged by the District Commissioner Karimganj for the post of 10 men. The petition number was engaged as 10 men and the petition number 2 was engaged as peer.
We are asking you, where is your continuous employment statement? Don't read anything and everything. Where is that statement?
My lord, I have stated that since the date of joining, they have been discharging duty with the satisfaction of all concerned. Their joining and services are not disputed by the respondent.
Joining in services. So where is that statement that you fulfill Upendas? That as on the date of pronouncement of Upendas, you have completed continuous 10 years service.
My lord, page 7, page 6, para number 5 and 6, my lord.
Please read.
That the petitioner begs to say that to get regularized the services, the respondent have initiated steps in time to time. The Deputy Secretary to the Governor was by letter dated so directed the Deputy Commissioner Karimganj to submit the details report of chainmen who are working in the district of Karimganj. The Finance Department issued letter by letter number
Mr.
so-and-so
Chaudhary,
to all
we
the
have read this line. I am asking for a simple statement.
my lord, page 7, my lord.
Page 7, yes.
Yes, sir. Page 7, that the petitioner begs to say the Chief Minister of Assam issued so by the petitioner has been eagerly waiting for the regulation of the services. However, recently the petitioner is come across of the impugned letter dated 4/8/2023 issued with the Deputy Secretary Dr. Assam to the District Commissioner Karimganj. Some with the findings in respect of the petitioner are as follows. It is mentioned that by order dated Honorable Guwahati High Court 8/6/2017 in WA number so-and-so master rule workers fixed pay as well etc. workers have been working in the state government for the last more than 10 years, but without sanction post, extended minimum of pay scale as per the list received from the administrative department. As per available record proposal in respect of the two incumbents, namely Sri Mullen Charan and Sri Ranjit Das, were not received by finance department. It is pertinent to mention that the finance department has in the meantime adopted sunset clause as per the direction of the higher authority and with approval of the finance department. And my lord, kindly see page 9, para 7. That the petitioner begs to state that the Honorable Guwahati High Court passed order dated 8/6/2017 passed in WA number so-and-so, the state of Assam versus Upendas, which provided the benefit of the petitioners. However, even after the aforesaid judgment was duly served upon the respondent, but no further decision was communicated regarding the petitioner's regulation of their services. However, in the meantime, the government provided the benefits numerous number of master workers admittedly given in compliance with the Honorable High Court's order dated 8/6/2017 passed in WA number so-and-so. The petitioner also entitled to benefit for the respondent for payment of minimum pay scale in compliance with the Honorable Guwahati High Court's order dated 8/6/2017 in D-double number 45/2014. Para 8, my lord. Petitioner begs to state that there are several instances wherever the government regularized the service of casual work charge employee by creating posts. In fact, the government regularized the service as many as 5892 work charge casual employees working in different government departments who were engaged prior to 1/4/1993 by government letter dated so. In the similar manner, the government directed the regularized service of the petitioner by.
We have read this. We have read this. Yes, Mr. Gogoi.
Hello, Dr. petition is a matter relating to record.
Yes.
35 it goes against him. Whatever statement he make.
No,
It
that is
against
what
him.
we are asking, that if you are
Even
relying
the-
upon 34,
Yeah,
35 is a part of
Yes.
34. And apart from the records given by the Deputy Commissioner, What other records will you rely upon?
my lord. And my lord, you will have to
His
challenge this.
statement that he's been working continuously has to be substantiated by records.
Yes, that's why I'm saying.
It's not a question of granting voluntary service. You have to be given salaries,
Yes, sir.
other benefits. Where are those records?
My lord, in this regard, I would like to submit that sometime maybe granted, I would like to take inspection from my client.
Not a case for instructions. Okay, last affidavit was filed very recently. We
Yes.
grant sometime. May not be fair. Okay, 37.
35 may be recorded.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Heard Sri H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners, who by means of this application, writ petition, has prayed for the benefits under the, as per the judgment dated 8/6/2017, passed by the Honorable Division Bench of this court in the case of State of Assam versus Upendas in WA 45 of 2014. Full stop. While the petitioner relies upon a communication issued by the office, by the Deputy Commissioner of the concerned Karimganj district dated 6/3/2023, the Annexure 1 to the said letter, which gives the data of the period of employment of the two petitioners, would indicate that their engagements were periodical, and in fact there is no record of engagement from the year 2001 to the year 2021, so far as petition number 1 is concerned, and for the period 1999 till 2023, so far as the petition number 2 is concerned. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner, however, prays for some time to obtain instructions in view of the affidavit in opposition recently filed. Full stop. Para. Sri B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel.
Fine.
Finance Department, Mr. So-and-so, D. Bora, State Council, and Mr. S. Datta, Revenue Department are present. Para. List after 2 weeks to enable. Now, in the interest of justice, 2 weeks time is granted to enable the learned counsel for the petitioners to obtain instructions. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Standing Counsel of Co-Person Department, Mr. P. Raskwa, Lordship. Regarding the matter, Lordship.
Virajkua.
P. Raskwa, yes. We have filed affidavit in opposition today, Your Lordship,
Okay.
on behalf of respondent number 2.
Have you received the copy?
Yes, ma'am, we have.
Let it be tagged with the records.
Yes, ma'am.
It is submitted on behalf of the Cooperation Department that the affidavit in opposition by the respondent number 2 has been filed today. Full stop. Let the said affidavit be tagged with the records and the matter be listed on Friday? Or you would like to file rejoinder
I have not gone through, my lord.
on Friday?
Your Lordship,
So,
Your Lordship, Mr. Raskwa has to go due to some medical reason, Your Lordship.
Monday next?
Lordship, after 2 weeks.
No, we just wanted to give him some opportunity. He might take time to file rejoinder. Is he there day after tomorrow? Day after tomorrow, Wednesday?
So actually, he is not there.
No, we'll have it on Wednesday. You take instruction
Yes, ma'am.
on Wednesday next, huh? Wednesday, no, it nahi ho pare. Friday. Don't worry, we will not take up the case. He
Yes.
might be seeking time.
So one more matter pair is that one repetition matter where the document has been relied upon by the respondent that we have challenged in that writ petition. If it is tagged with this writ petition,
Our
2300
Shri
of
B.
the
Sinha, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is a connected writ petition WPC
yeah, 2300 of
2300 of
2024.
24. Para, list. Accordingly, list this case along with WPC. Huh? Friends.
All right.
Friday it will come.
Item 34 to 36.
May peruse order dated 37, 2020.
Yes.
They have not, till date, they have not paid the pension of the they stop after granting it for 15 years. Lord. Now, look, they are again asking for 4 weeks time, Lord. We had observed that otherwise the personal appearance of the respondents would be directed in the earlier order, the previous order. Now they are saying that 4 weeks time is required and they are throwing the ball in each other's court. Lord.
Four weeks will be too long. We see that some steps have been taken, but this is not enough. 4 weeks will be too long. Why have you stopped the pension? Pay at your rate at least and adjust it later. You cannot stop the pension. Adjustment part may take time. We understand.
Yeah.
But how do they survive?
For the last 1 year now.
The calculations have to be made.
You make the calculation whatever. Pay at the minimum rate.
Yes, sir.
That you should not have a difficulty. If they are entitled to more, they'll be entitled. They'll be paid as arrear. But you stop the entire pension. What is this kind of logic?
Done, my lord. If it is not done, my lord.
No, you adjustment part, you take your time. It should not go to indefinite time, but you may take a reasonable time. But pay the whatever as per you, whatever is there, pay them. This grounds we are not happy at all. That some heads of are different, so adjustment is taking time. You to adjust it.
In the earlier previous order, Honorable Court has directed to cooperate with each other department. The order is there, Lordship.
Heard Sri A.R. Tabildar, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri Gupta H. Gupta, learned CGC. Full stop. On the last occasion, that is 37/20/24, this court had passed the following order, 37/20/24. Huh? Para. Sri Gupta has placed before this court a communication addressed to him dated 5/8/2024, along with a note dated 4/8/2024. Full stop. It appears that that an exercise for adjustment is still going on. Full stop. This court, however, fails to understand as to what is the acceptable reason for stopping the pension as a whole. Full stop. Para. It is therefore directed that while the time sought for of 4 weeks is granted to make necessary calculation, the pension which according to the the pension at the minimum rate should be immediately paid to the petitioner and the arrears be paid after the adjustment said to be done within this period of 4 weeks. Full stop. Such release is to be made within a period of 15 days from today. Full stop. This court has been constrained to make this direction as the matter relates to earlier proceedings, including the order passed by the Honorable Division Bench on 18/1/2023, and more than 1.5 years have passed. List on. What is the date? 5, 1, 2. List on 22nd of August. Yes.
Oblige that. All the team.
Mr. Gupta, I have understood.
My lord,
Whatever is, you say, pay it
my lord.
later, arrears you can pay after 4 weeks.
Yeah.
They cannot survive without pension 1 year.
Oblige that. In all the team matters.
Same order, huh?
May I please your lordship? Matter pertains to non-payment of family pension. The husband of the petitioner was serving as Gao Panchayat secretary and he died in
Yes,
Hudson.
notice was issued, instructions.
My lord, in principle, my lord, directions may be given to the commissioner to verify this.
Have you verified the factual aspects?
My lord, let the commissioner do it because.
No, have you verified the factual aspects in the petition?
My lord, we have.
The department has come back to you.
No, my lord, they have not written, but as per the service book that they have annexed the petition.
You are making a submission based on the documents of the on the writ petition. Take your instructions first. It may be a small instruction. Don't make this kind of submission. It will be a difficulty. Get the factual position ascertained by the department. Then we pass orders. Pension matters will not drag it long. Get the department if they are entitled to you, but at least get it verification.
Subject to my lord's order also, we can.
We do it. We grant some time, 2 weeks time. When did you retire, or is it family pension?
He passed away, my lord,
Passed away. When?
2013.
13. Last more than 10 years, you are not getting pension.
No, ma'am.
Why are you so late? Pension matters we are not saying on the delay part, but you are actually, you have been negligent in approaching the court. If you think it's a right, you should come. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, more than 10 years. Other matters you are straightway dismissed on the grounds of laches. Pension. Oh, yes. You take the instructions. Yes. 3 P. Hendick, Learned Standing Council, PNRD. Submits that instructions are awaited. Full stop para. He has also pointed out that the death was about a decade back, and the writ petition has been filed. Filed only in the year 2024. Full stop para. Be that as it may, comma. As paid for. 3 weeks further time is granted to the Learned Standing Council to obtain the instructions. Yes, we will fix a date pension matter. List on. On 30th of August. 30. 38. Yes, next.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes, what is this?
Your Lordship, this petitioners are BSc in optometry and ophthalmic techniques. Now, in pursuance to a recommendation made by the 6th Pay Commission and duly accepted by the state of Assam, our pay scale was given at 14,000 to 49,000 and the grade pay was given at 6,200. And for the diploma, it was 14,000 to 49,000 and 5,600 was the grade pay. Now,
Okay.
there was an advertisement, we were appointed in 2018, but we have been paid the grade pay of the diploma holders, not the degree holders. We are graduates. So we represented the matter that was not responded to, so it approached this honorable court. Now the health department has come up with an affidavit saying that no, we are paying the diploma holders more than the degree holders. That can't be the law, your lordship. The law is well settled, your lordship, and the pay commission has also said that. So in that view of the matter, I think a finance should clarify the issue, your lordship. Finance is a party here, but they have not filed the affidavit.
Who's for the finance department? Mr. Bora, what do you say?
My lord, in our affidavit, my lord, the advertisement was issued, my lord, after the ROP 2017, my lord. So ROP 2017 recommends that, my lord, the grade pay of 6,200 for the optometrist with diploma, my lord. That your lordship will find that page, my lord.
Okay, then, no, okay, then what is the other, then what happened?
Then, my lord, and after publication of the ROP 2017, the advertisement was issued, my lord.
Yes.
And advertisement, the qualification is BSc in optometrics, my lord. And there it has been specifically mentioned that grade PA will be 5,600, my lord. So that advertisement has been issued after the ROP 2017. And in ROP 2017, my lord, 6,200 has been recommended for the optometrics with diploma. But in the advertisement, advertised post, my lord, it is for the BSc optometrics, my lord. And for that purpose, the grade pay is 5,600. And the advertisement was issued after the publication of the ROP 2017. So, my lord, that ROP was not applied while issuing the advertisement. The petitioners participated in the advertisement. They have been appointed in the year 2018, my lord, on the basis of the grade pay, which was stipulated in the advertisement, my lord. So now they
No, Mr. Bora, the ROP, which was published in the year 2017, revision of pay,
Yes.
were for existing employees
Yes, my lord.
who were diploma holders.
Yes.
Now you have gone for a fresh recruitment
Yes, my lord.
from degree holders.
Yes, my lord.
Degree, and there the grade pay is less.
That ROP doesn't stipulate any grade for the degree holders, my lord. PhD.
But at least, if not more, at least at par it should be.
Your lordship will kindly
Yes.
turn to page 52.
But my lord, the advertisement, if your lordship peruses the advertisement, in the advertisement it has been specifically
Yes,
stipulated.
and finance department, anybody? Yes, finance would have a role.
Yes, my lord.
The finance is a party, Mr.
Yes, your lordship, I have made them a party. Your lordship will kindly look page 45.
Yes, can you have anyone from finance department? Mr. Barbujari, Mr. Chaliha, Nayak, Gogoi.
Your lordship, this ROP was published on 17/3/2017 and it was given effect from 1/4/2016.
লিখা আছে নামটো লিখি দিব হা Though the health department represented by Sri D.P. Bora, Standing Council, has filed the affidavit in opposition, whereby the claim of the petitioners are disputed, a clarification will be necessary from the finance department, more so when it is a specific contention of the department that in the advertisement itself, the grade pay was given to be rupees 5,600. Put stop para. Mr. Gogoi, Finance Department, you
Yes,
take
my lord.
instructions.
I learned for that.
Okay. Sri B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Finance Department, would obtain instructions and also file affidavit in opposition in this regard.
Clarifying that stand here.
In this regard, we have said. List, we have given you 3 weeks time, for 3 weeks. Have you understood the issue? The diploma holders are getting the benefit of ROP in the year 2017,
My lord.
where grade pay is in a very brief manner. Grade pay is 6,000 something.
Lord.
And for an advertisement which has been published for a degree holder,
Lordship.
the grade pay is less.
Yes, right.
Bora is contending maybe rightly because he says that in the advertisement the grade pay is less, so now they cannot. But it doesn't look to be reasonable.
Yes.
Diploma
They will
holder,
definitely get a benefit of the ROP.
yes,
When
ROP.
they are regular.
And in fact, the grade pay would be probably He said that the ROP did not mention the degree holder.
Lordship, the ROP categorically states all those existing employees and the employees to be appointed thereafter will be getting that pay. And it was given effect from 1/3/2016.
At least that pay, why should it be less?
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, 41.
Yeah,
Similar
please,
matter,
Your
my lord. Okay. Family.
Deaths,
Death 2002, my lord.
2002. What are you doing? এইটো আগতে লিখিছা যে এইটো যে PNRD PND একে হ'ব ডেটটো তাত লিখিছে ডেট লিখিছিল 2013 2002 same date.
For finance and
Okay. B. Gogoi, finance. Earlier case, Gogoi was not a party, but finance was a party.
He was.
Okay, I'll go to the Likhiba. B. Gogoi. What is that item, madam? What was
That
the
was
earlier
item
item?
37.
37.
37. 37 2013 or death asil, it was 2002. Okay.
42.
Yes. Affidavit filed.
No, Lordship, I have received instruction.
State level recruitment committee. And
We also awaiting and.
you are for
I'm for CAD.
JD. Others, host of council, which department?
Health department. Health department.
Give the names. Okay. The Sri B. Chaudhary, then Standing Council, SLRC, comma, Arsobor naam likhiba. A. Fukan, GAD. Give the names, please. Okay. Write in a slip of paper. And don't write the respond number. Give it the department. Department will be enough. Pray for. Submit that instructions I have been received.
I have received.
Others,
I'm awaiting.
don't say. Pray for and are given 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Same. Others,
Yes, ma'am.
same, similar order.
My lord, date may be.
List on sixth of September. 6th September. Enough time, file it.
My lord, actually, the personal department affidavit is necessary.
Somebody is appearing for personal.
Government, my lord.
Yes. Yes, next.
1946 to 56.
My lord, in this case, my lord, in my case, my lord, item number 4748, my lord. My lord, senior counsel, my lord, Ken Sodri is appearing. My lord, he is in Lake Mali, court number 1, my lord. From time.
One case already, it was adjourned, fixed on when Friday, Friday is the name. Friday. Oh, I see.
My lord, can I pray for some?
Friday.
Friday.
The earlier case was said on Friday. We're just.
I was
trying to-
legs in.
No, that is okay. With the
Friday.
other case on Friday, this matters on solved Friday.
My lord.
Other councils Friday.
Allow the- I have concerned.
We'll have it, have this. Give the number, give the number.
Yes.
But,
Oh,
one, my lord, affidavit is in the south upon us, my
In
lord,
there.
or it is back, my lord. He filed the reply on that.
other matters, reply is record, Mr. Chaudhary.
There, okay, sir.
I
have filed affidavit in one case, my petition before your.
It will cover the other case. Would you like to file rejoinder?
Yes, we'll file in the meantime, my lord.
This Friday it may not be possible.
Can your
We'll
lordship give us
we'll-
1 week time?
We'll give him 2 weeks time.
Yes.
In the meantime, you file it. Okay. It appears that though one affidavit of opposition has been filed by which department?
In WPC 9.
No, which department? Your- By?
By the Ministry of Estate.
Okay, by one affidavit has been filed by the Ministry of Estates,
Yes, sir.
comma, it is submitted
Directorate of Estate,
by,
Ministry of Housing.
by the Director of Estates, comma, Ministry of Housing, Government of India, comma, it is submitted by Sri R.K.D. Chaudhary, the learned Deputy SGI, that the said affidavit would cover the other cases also. Full stop. The learned counsel for the writ petitioners pray for and are granted 2 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit. Full stop. It is also submitted that WPC 2296 of 2024 is similar. Full stop. The said writ petition may also be listed together.
The interim model content.
Para interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Lordship is fixing a date.
You tell us. Oh, interim order is this. Yes. We'll fix it on
Miller,
list on. We'll have it on
27 or
we have it on 21st.
21st.
21st Wednesday. 60. 60. 60 will come here. Okay.
দেখা যাবে। My lord, on 21st, I may have some difficulty.
No,
So I told my friend.
no,
"Okay,
no, let us have some other date.
My lord, can it be on 27th or 28th, my lord?
27 to 28th.
28th.
28.
28th.
28.
Lord's right. Keep-
May I please, the lordship? Majesty, possible for the time being.
Timing why difficult? Timing why?
I appear for respondent number 2 and 3, my lord. I pray for 4 weeks time to file affidavit.
Have you not filed?
No, my lord. We
So
are
24
appearing
matter,
for the
okay.
first time today.
Okay, you're for
Respondent number 2
FCI.
and 3.
FCI,
Provident fund. my lord.
Provident Fund. Three SK Chakraborty Learned Council for the respond number 2
And 3.
and 3. Prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition.
Okay.
Is there any interim order pending? No.
No.
58. 58, yes.
Not been served upon us, so we have to get
Okay.
instructions.
Your name, madam?
As well.
Ms. Asdole, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, undertakes to serve extra copies of the writ petition upon Sri D. Bora, Learned State Council, by tomorrow. A list after 4 weeks to enable the Learned State Council to obtain instructions / file affidavit in opposition. Okay, next. You give
Please.
copies tomorrow. Okay.
Lordship, we have entered appearance in this case. We'll file our reply, Lordship,
You're for whom?
for the management.
It's still functional. Is it functioning?
Just skeletal, Lord.
No, if there is an engagement of a council like you, then means it's functional.
It is.
That is an indication. Okay.
I'm the legal aid counsel.
Oh, you're legal aid, okay. Heard Shreyas Bonik, legal aid counsel for the petitioners, what's the para? Sri B. Chakraborty, learned counsel, has appeared for the appears for the respondent. One respondent.
Also, single focus.
All for the respondent, full stop. He pays for and is granted 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Like.
61.
May I please, the lord? My lord, I took a step, my lord.
60 কি হল 60 or 60 it will be say yes what is this Mr. Adam?
This is contempt, my lord.
Yes, contempt. What has happened?
As
Yes,
per
press
office
note.
note, service not complete, my lord.
Received. Unserved, 2 undelivered, 1 has been received, unserved, undelivered. No person, 1 is not there, 2 is not there. 4 answer 4 is
Not returned.
either 4 not returned.
Yes.
And what about 3? 3 3
Three steps taken, my lord. And he is very much available in the office. Why not let me verify and thereafter I will take it.
in view of the office note dated 1/8/2024. Sri, your SLM.
My lord.
Sri SLM Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Prays for, and is granted 3 weeks' time to take instructions if there is any change of the incumbents.
I am obliged, my lord.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Office note dated 26/7/2024 reflects that neither ready cards nor unserved notice have been received back so far as respondent numbers 2, 3, and 4 are concerned. What's the para? List after 2 weeks.
Husband of the petitioner died on 4/1/2021. Husband of the petitioner died on 4/1/2020.
Yes.
But till date, my lord, family pension.
Yes, family pension. Mr. Bora, who's?
One word, respond number 6.
Respondent number 6 is not the legally married wife, because that is, my lord, I am one.
That you have to get an adjudication from the competent court. We may not be competent.
My lord,
You are the first wife or second wife?
first wife,
Hindus or Muslim?
Hindu. And first time, my lord, I have enclosed the deceased employee filed a divorce case was dismissed.
Okay, one case we have recently decided. One case we have recently decided. Last week, to get hold of this case. Even that matter had gone to the Supreme Court, the reverse proceeding, it was dismissed. And the second wife was not getting better. We held that the children would be getting, one of the children, unmarried dependent.
That is my Ramastari Devi 90.
Last week you have decided a matter, it will help you.
My lord, the petitioner is not the second wife, first wife.
Understood. In a case of first wife, we have said that first wife will be
Exactly.
getting it.
Exactly.
APSC employee, some superintendent.
That is what I am saying, my lord.
Get the judgment.
My lord, the they have not filed any affidavit, so that the affidavit, I should know that what is that and how they have disbursed.
No, if you have shown that there was a divorce proceeding which has been dismissed, then your status as the first wife is
First
not
wife.
in dispute. So we can pass necessary orders to try to get.
My
get-
status is not dispute. I am the first wife.
Has the private respondent appeared?
No, I have taken steps against.
Oh, against, then we have to. This address is not located.
Without affidavit, my lord, let it come to the record so that I can know.
R6 is the private respondent.
Yes, RC.
R6 has been served.
Served.
Let us pass on orders of completion of R6. It will be easy for you. Seen the office, seen the.
Name is the Gayatri Dotto. Your name is then Gayatri Roy Parv.
Okay, seen the order dated 2/8/2024 passed by the learned Loazima Court regarding the service upon the respond number 6 foot stop. The said order has been accepted. Said order, after perusal of the same, comma, the service upon the respond number 6 is deemed to be complete. No, deemed no, is held to be complete. Full stop. You'd like to file any affidavit?
Yes, our name, nominee,
And Mr. Bora, you're for whom?
I am for the transformation development department, government,
Who's the contesting respondent here?
private respondent, private.
No, that is, no, regarding the department, who will take the decision?
Otherwise, yes, our instruction is very simple. We have sent
No,
pending letter.
decision will be by the AG,
AG.
okay. Sri S.K. Medhi, learned standing council, AG, prays for, and is granted 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition.
Name also has that different.
Oh, you bring this in the affidavit.
Obliged.
Okay, next.
May I pray for a date because of family pension?
List on 30 August,
Obliged.
30, 28, 28, for 2nd September,
Obliged.
Monday.
May I please?
Yes.
This is contempt petition, my lord. As per office note, no uncertainty nature etiquette received base.
$19,600. Wait for another 2 weeks. Then it'll send before the Lawzima, or you have to take fresh steps. Okay. In view of the office note dated 1/8/2024, come on. Matter is directed to be listed after 2 weeks along with fresh service report. Okay, next.
Obliged.
66.
Go to 1/8/2024 order.
Yes, office note. Yes, what is there?
Steps were not met, steps were not taken.
Oh, you have not taken steps, why?
I will check affidavit lot.
4 to 7, you're required to file, take steps, registered posted AD. While Sri P. Sharma, learned standing council AFDC, has appeared.
Department,
Fishery Department has appeared and has appeared and prayed for time to file affidavit in opposition, comma. Office note dated 1/8/2024 has reflected that steps for service of notice upon the respondents have not been taken. Full stop para. This court wide order dated 31/5/2024 had directed steps to be taken upon the respondent numbers 4, TO27 by registered post with AD. Full stop. Sri, your name?
R. Decalo.
Sri R. Dekal, learned counsel for the petitioner, undertakes to take steps upon the aforesaid respondents by registered post with AD.
And myself, extra copilot.
Oh, within by tomorrow. It's already late. Extra copies of the writ petition along with the enclosures are also to be furnished to Sri Sharma, the understanding counsel.
Myself, black.
68.
68. M Saikya. ৰাতিপুৱা মেনশ্যন কৰিছিলে নেকি মই দিয়া নাছিলো মই যে ক'লো পিছত হেৰি কৰিম এম চাইকিয়া মেণ্টু চাইকিয়া নে কি আছিলে None appears for the petitioner on call. Yes, government. Government. Sri R. Dhar, learned State Council. Is present. Let us see a list after 2 weeks.
And then 72, something is.
May I please, my lord? A mistake has been filed, bring for some correction in the writ petition. I do not have any objection, my lord. If petitioner is allowed.
Who's
to make-
there?
The petitioner is not present. Because there are some, as stated by the petitioner, my lord, there are some typographical error that has been caused while filing the writ petition. And by this mistake, they have prayed for to correct the typographical error. In that regard, my lord, I do not have any objection if this is not approved.
এইটো কেনেকে হেৰিতে আহিছে আবাই অৰ্ডাৰ কেনেকে আহিছে 72 by order is.
Item number 72, Miss Krishna Napad. Mobile.
None appears for the applicant oblique petitioner on call, whereas Sri B. Dekar, learned CGC, is present. Full stop para. In the interest of justice, list after 2 weeks.
My lord, item number 69 also. That may be also dispensed with.
69, same council.
Yes, my lord, both the matter came up.
69 is different.
69, I
Oh,
think,
see, oh, now we are passing in 69 and yes, both the case.
deeply obliged, deeply obliged.
69 connected with 72. Yes, next.
70.
Yes,
Please, Your Lordship. This matter pertains to removal from service.
removal.
Removal from service.
My lord, here proceedings are complete. They also filed the reply. Here record will be required, my lord. See, without record, my lord.
What is the penalty?
But if the report was already called forward,
So what is the penalty?
penalty is on misconduct, criminal misconduct and dereliction of duty, Lord. And
What
when
is the penalty? Not ask what is the allegation. What is the penalty?
he was removed from the-
Removed,
sorry,
removal.
from-
You are working as what?
stenographer, Lordship, at Lakhimpur SP office.
It depends upon you. If you want to go ahead, we have time, we can finish it off. Or if you want to see, have the records, you bring the
My
record.
lord, record will be required. I have done for the affidavit.
What is the allegation?
My lord, that he has taken some money, my lord. Accepted money, 35,000.
And in the
Allegation on the basis of 2 FIRs, Lordship.
and in the DP, in the inquiry,
That is what, my lord, it's very thin, the affidavit.
That is why I want to get that.
Okay, you get the records. Removal of which year?
2008.
2008.
2008, he has come in 2023. Because
Why so late?
Lordship, there was writ petition was filed on 2012, Lordship.
Okay.
Thereafter, the departmental appeal was also filed, and which was subsequently rejected by the appellate authority. And we have challenged the writ petition of 1939 of 2012. The Honorable Division Bench has given us liberty to file afresh, challenging the departmental appeal, rejection order of the departmental appeal.
What happened to the first petition?
Lordship, it was dismissed. Dismissed. Lordship,
You
this
get the
allegation-
records of the first case also. If it is dismissed on merits, but he says that there is a liberty given by the division bench.
Division bench. Lordship,
Okay, you get the records. Okay.
Lordship, the already record was called for, and respondent has submitted that they have received the record, Lordship.
You search in the office, it may be there.
On 16/7/24, we have filed the affidavit on. I'll just see the orders, Lordship. There may be reported that they have received the,
Where? Page?
not getting the orders, Lordship.
Which order?
Honorable Court order, Lordship. In this. Well, I will start.
Is permitted to bring on recording on. It's not there.
Instructions we received, my lord, and we have filed affidavit on 16/7/24.
Shall keep the records in
Yeah.
our
16 days back.
Okay. Sri, what is your name?
M.H. Charlie, Lordship.
M.H. Ali. Heard Sri M.H. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. Sarah, Sri Ardhar, learned counsel for the learned state counsel. Submits that though affidavit in opposition, though the pleadings have been completed, comma, the records of the departmental proceeding would be necessary. And he should be given an opportunity to produce, to obtain the same. Full stop, para. Yes, we didn't have, where will it come from? As paid for, list after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.